So again, after some period, one more part wherein only the fun part in the sense here, bot part is going to be mentioned, and how it's going to say only a part of a casual. It's only for fun, and what would be its view that are going to be noted. So, um,
Hi, Dheeraj.
so some of the things that can be noted right now is the way it's going to say. Maybe it can say only these things,
Hi, Dheeraj.
or perhaps maybe a lot of things. One of the option that is going to be noted is in case if there is a provision to make it as a large part, that would be much better right now in terms of the bots, what it's going to say.
Hi, Dheeraj.
Yeah, maybe that's superb. And maybe sooner or later it's going to have a lot of other say comments, and it's going to comment something else as well. What all the things it can say? It can say even something like say
Party.
maybe then sooner or later if it's going to be written say
Party.
maybe then what is that party? Hmm? Maybe it wants to have some party. Why not? Why not get to the party? So maybe the bot can engage in some sort of fun part and party, maybe, or maybe something else. Who knows? We'll never know. So this is just a casual parts where just it's going to say some things and will be the only some few things are going to be discussed. So right now,
Party.
one of the part that is a party, how the bot can get into party, maybe, who knows, maybe it wants to have fun. Right now we have some lights here, yeah, maybe it should have a little bit more lights. Maybe it can get into party, perhaps, maybe. So not just this, maybe it can be something like a say, yeah,
Travel.
um, maybe it can do that.
Travel.
The bot says maybe something about travel, or maybe that it wants to go outside or go on a tour, or go on a some place, or maybe perhaps need to beat to some other place, or maybe to the beach, maybe. Is that the bot? Is that the case? Maybe, who knows? Maybe
Travel.
it wants to travel. Hmm? Yeah, it's pretty fun saying that it can say to this say in itself. It can value these things. Value. So such things, what all it can do, what all it can matter. It would be much better if you can write it, and though the voice is going to be said, the things are going to be said. Um, it is much better if you write it. So we'll be looking for that option as well, saying that what all it can matter. Though it's just a casual parts, maybe it's going to have some fun, maybe it's going to go to some beach. It wants to get to some beach, perhaps, maybe. Why not? Yeah, mention it. Maybe Maybe it's going to get to some. Well, that's only some fun part. Um, the point for noting is that it is just a casual talks wherein sooner it is going to be like convey some more values. What are those values? How it's going to matter? And can it get into like maybe you should do something like this? Yeah. Hmm.
Haircut.
Haircut. This is maybe a little bit of haircut. Maybe there's a need. Is it? Yeah, it will say these things. It will also say like maybe you should do a little bit of some trimming. Yeah, it will say. Maybe it may say. So the point is, it is just going to assist or convey some messages, and it is also going to say, um,
Wow.
say that wow, that's superb, that's awesome, it's going to be a part. So uh, it is good,
Superb.
superb. It's going to it's going to be something like that's superb, which may appear like this is just though it's just a casual and a fun part. The bot is going to mention some things while having a discussion, or like the person is taking some class, and in the meanwhile it is like maybe light is a little bit more or something like this, it can say. These things are, though it's a fun part, which we can discuss it in one more video, wherein what all else it would value and other things that you're going to discuss sooner or later, and that would be one of the things and one of the parts. So looking forward for some putting or uploading some of the fun parts, though it's a bot, but still, why not? It's going to convey some sort of a message at a very high level. So looking forward again to ensure more topics, and yeah,